Hello, you are welcome. We are going to be looking at demand and supply trading in this class. If you check my channel, you will see I'll be talking about different type of trading, talking about talking about smart money concept and all of those type of trading. But in this one, we are going to be looking at demand and supply trading. What motivated me to this type of trading is because of this trader, the all-time trader of FTMO, that's Ben Skropinski. His type of trading is very unique. Trading on a higher time frame gives a lot of freedom and time and all those things. So I have been able to study and understand that market moves with demand and supply. Every other thing that comes in between is just it. Okay, so without further ado, let's go into this demand and supply proper. Now, demand and supply type of trading, you ask yourself, what is demand? If you are new to trading, this is just a brief intro. Demand is the quantity of an asset that people are willing to buy. Then supply, the quantity of an asset that people are willing to sell. I just made a little graphic representation there for buying. When price goes up, come to a demand zone, it will buy. Then when price comes down, come back again to the supply zone, it will now do what? It will sell. If you are new to trading, follow this class little by little, you understand it. Okay, now how to identify demand and supply. We can see that first we need to understand how trading works. And trading is all about buying and selling with everything in between. What I mean by with everything in between, meaning that how to do the buying, how to do the selling. There are some laws governing it. There are ways you have to do it. The platform you use, those are just the thing in between. But the major focus is all about buying and selling. All right. Now, this buying and selling creates upward and downward movement, meaning that as you buy, maybe the market is going upward, you allow it to come down, come to a demand, you are going to do what? You are going to buy. Then probably when the market is coming down, you see a supply zone there, you allow the market to come back to the supply, then you sell. Okay, it's just about when price comes to a demand zone, you buy. When it comes to a supply zone, you sell. So how you are going to do all those things, you are going to learn it in this class and subsequent videos. Okay, now simply put, you'll see that buying, we'll have to buy from the bottom. Let's say the market is going up, you have a demand zone here, we'll buy from here. We don't sell from a demand zone, we buy from a demand zone. Then maybe when the market is coming down, you see, we can now say, okay, this is a supply zone, we sell from a supply zone. That is just some rough sketching. So we buy from a demand zone, all right, and we sell from a supply area. Now, to identify demand and supply, because that is our major focus. How do I identify demand and supply on the chart? Maybe you are using TradingView, you are using MT5. You see that trading information, how the market move up and down, all those things, they are represented with candlesticks and candlestick formations. So I've explained, if you check my channel on the playlist in like trading for beginners, I've explained candlesticks and candlestick formations, different types. If I have even recommended the trading book, the Bible stick trading, the candlestick trading Bible, something like that. Now we are going to be focusing throughout this demand and supply on these major candlestick formations, which is the first one here is Morningstar, where we have full body candlestick 1, then there's a smaller candlestick 2, then this other candlestick 3, it will break the top of the candlestick 2. All these things, if you don't understand, please go to my previous videos. I've explained them. You can check them on the playlist. Now, the next one we are going to look at is also the evening star candlestick pattern. Morning star candlestick pattern telling you that this market is going to be buying. It's just an indication that the market will buy. Then evening star candlestick pattern is an indication that the market is going to sell. Okay. Also, the type we are looking at again is bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, meaning that price is going to do what? It's going to buy. Bearish is an indication that price the market is going to do, what it's going to say. I believe with this information, you can be able to get yourself ready for other information I'll be coming subsequently about demand and supply. And trust me, you are going to like it, and it's going to improve your trading significantly. Okay, thank you.